10 superfoods to cool your body after 60, and foods to avoid for better health. Introduction. The silent struggle against excessive body heat after 60. As we age, our body undergoes many natural changes. Among these changes, the body's ability to regulate its temperature becomes less efficient, making us more susceptible to internal heat buildup. For individuals over 60, managing body heat is not just about comfort, it's about health. Rising body heat can result in dehydration, fatigue, digestive discomfort, and even life-threatening conditions like heat stroke. But what if I told you that with a few simple adjustments to your diet, you could take control of your internal temperature? The right foods can act like a natural cooling system for your body, helping to regulate internal heat and alleviate the discomfort associated with hot flashes, increased perspiration, and fatigue. In this article, we will explore 10 superfoods that can help reduce body heat effectively, along with delicious and nutritious dishes to incorporate them into your daily meals. These foods are backed by science, and they work in harmony to cool down your body while supporting overall health. Part 1. Understanding body heat and its impact on health after 60. What is body heat and why it increases with age? Body heat refers to the internal temperature that our body maintains to facilitate biological processes like digestion, circulation, and metabolism. When our body is functioning at optimal health, it regulates temperature through sweating, blood flow, and various physiological responses. However, as we age, the mechanisms that regulate body temperature become less efficient. Sweat production slows, circulation becomes less responsive, and the body's natural cooling system isn't as effective. For people over 60, these changes in the body's thermal regulation can lead to uncomfortable and even dangerous spikes in body heat. This can manifest as excessive sweating, increased thirst, dizziness and fatigue, skin rashes or irritations, acid reflux and digestive issues, dehydration. Prolonged exposure to excessive body heat, especially in the summer months, can be debilitating, leading to conditions such as heat exhaustion or heat stroke. For older adults, this can be particularly risky, as it can contribute to a decrease in mobility, quality of life, and even serious health complications. The role of diet in managing body heat. Diet plays a pivotal role in how our body manages internal temperature. Certain foods act as natural coolants, while others, like spicy or fried foods, can exacerbate body heat. By making some smart dietary choices, you can help your body stay cooler, hydrated, and more comfortable, without needing to rely on external factors like air conditioning or cold drinks. Let's dive into the 10 superfoods that help reduce body heat and the dishes that can make them part of your daily routine. Part 2. 10 superfoods to reduce body heat after 60. 1. Winter melon, ash gourd, the natural body coolant. Winter melon, also known as ash gourd, is a hydrating powerhouse. It is 96% water, which makes it incredibly effective for cooling the body and maintaining hydration. How it works: winter melon helps balance body heat by providing deep hydration and cooling effects. It also aids digestion, which can become sluggish when body heat rises. Recipe to try: winter melon soup. This light and refreshing soup is made by simmering chopped winter melon with a few herbs like cilantro and a pinch of salt. It's soothing, cooling, and perfect for a hot day. Nutritional benefits. High in water content. Helps with digestion and detoxification. Provides a cooling effect for the body. 2. Watermelon, the ultimate hydrating fruit. Watermelon is known for its high water content, making it an excellent option for staying hydrated and cooling the body down. It's also rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps fight oxidative stress and inflammation. How it works. The high water content replenishes lost fluids, while lycopene and other antioxidants reduce inflammation caused by heat exposure. Recipe to try: watermelon mint salad. Cut up fresh watermelon into cubes and toss with chopped mint leaves and a squeeze of lime for a refreshing, cooling salad. Nutritional benefits. 92% water content. Rich in antioxidants like lycopene. Helps reduce inflammation and supports hydration. 3. Coconut water, nature's electrolyte. Coconut water is not only hydrating but also rich in electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. These minerals help balance fluids in the body, preventing dehydration and excessive heat buildup. How it works. Coconut water replenishes electrolytes lost through sweating, helping to restore hydration and cool down the body, especially during hot weather or physical activity. Recipe to try: coconut water smoothie. Blend coconut water with fresh tropical fruits like pineapple and mango for a hydrating and nutrient-packed smoothie. Nutritional benefits. Rich in electrolytes, potassium, magnesium. Supports hydration and cooling. Helps maintain fluid balance in the body. 4. Cucumber, the cooling hydrator. Cucumber is another water-rich food, 95%, that provides excellent hydration while cooling down the body. It also contains antioxidants like beta-carotene, which help fight oxidative stress. How it works. Cucumbers help to hydrate the body, and their high water content aids in cooling down the internal temperature. Recipe to try: cucumber yogurt salad. Mix thinly sliced cucumber with Greek yogurt, mint, and lemon juice for a refreshing, hydrating dish that also aids digestion. Nutritional benefits. 95% water content. Rich in antioxidants. Aids hydration and digestion. 5. Mint, the digestive and cooling herb. Mint is a well-known herb that cools the body from within. Its menthol content provides a refreshing, cooling sensation and helps soothe the digestive system, which can become irritated by excessive heat. How it works. Mint helps to relax the digestive system, reduce bloating, and provide a cooling effect on the body. Recipe to try: mint tea. Steep fresh mint leaves in hot water and sip throughout the day for a naturally cooling drink that also helps with digestion. Nutritional benefits. Provides a cooling sensation. Aids digestion and reduces bloating. Helps soothe acidity and digestive discomfort. 6. Lemon, the zesty body cooler. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which plays an important role in reducing inflammation and regulating body temperature. Its acidity helps to balance body heat while also aiding in digestion. How it works. Lemon's acidity helps to promote digestion and maintain hydration, which is essential for cooling the body. Recipe to try: lemon water. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into a glass of cold water for a refreshing, hydrating drink that can be consumed throughout the day. Nutritional benefits. High in vitamin C. Supports digestion and hydration. Helps regulate body temperature. 7. Fennel, the cooling digestive booster. Fennel has a cooling effect on the body and helps with digestive issues that often accompany excessive heat, such as bloating and indigestion. How it works: fennel helps reduce inflammation and promotes digestion, allowing the body to process food and fluids more efficiently. Recipe to try: fennel citrus salad. Combine sliced fennel with citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits for a refreshing, hydrating salad. Nutritional benefits: rich in fiber and antioxidants. Aids digestion and reduces bloating. Helps cool the body from within. 8. Cilantro, the detoxifying herb. Cilantro is not only a flavorful herb but also helps detoxify the body and balance internal heat. It supports digestion and reduces inflammation caused by excessive body heat. How it works: cilantro helps detoxify the liver and digestive system, which can become sluggish when body heat is high. It also helps cool the body from within. Recipe to try: cilantro lime rice. Mix cooked rice with fresh cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of salt for a cooling side dish. Nutritional benefits: rich in antioxidants. Detoxifying and anti-inflammatory. Supports digestion and cooling. 9. Aloe vera, the soothing internal cooler. Aloe vera is often used for its skin healing properties, but it also has cooling effects on the digestive system, making it ideal for reducing internal heat. How it works: aloe vera helps cool the body from the inside out and supports digestion, reducing inflammation and discomfort caused by body heat. Recipe to try: aloe vera juice. Blend fresh aloe vera gel with water and a little honey for a hydrating and cooling drink. Nutritional benefits: rich in vitamins A, C, and E. Soothes the digestive system. Promotes hydration and cooling. 10. Yogurt, the cooling and digestive dairy. Yogurt is packed with probiotics, which support gut health. A healthy digestive system helps the body regulate temperature more effectively. How it works: probiotics in yogurt help balance the gut, which plays a major role in temperature regulation and digestion. Yogurt also has a cooling effect on the digestive system. Recipe to try: Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh fruits and nuts for a nutritious, hydrating, and cooling snack. Nutritional benefits: rich in probiotics and protein. Supports gut health. Aids digestion and cooling. Part 3. Foods to avoid to reduce body heat. 1. Spicy foods, e.g., red chili peppers. Spicy foods, particularly those containing capsaicin, like red chilies, can increase body heat by stimulating the thermoregulation system. This causes sweating and a rise in internal body temperature. 2. Fried foods, e.g., French fries, fried chicken. Fried foods require the body to generate heat for digestion, which exacerbates internal heat. The oils used in frying also contribute to inflammation, further raising body temperature. 3. Caffeinated beverages, e.g., coffee, energy drinks. Caffeine stimulates the nervous system, increasing heart rate and raising body temperature. It also has a diuretic effect, leading to dehydration and making it harder for the body to regulate heat. Part 4. How to balance cooling and heating foods in your diet. Balancing cooling and warming foods is key to maintaining overall health. Focus on including cooling foods during the hot months and heating foods in the winter. Start your day with a cooling drink like lemon water, followed by a lunch of hydrating foods like watermelon or cucumber, and finish with a cooling dinner featuring cilantro and yogurt. Conclusion: take control of your body heat today. By incorporating these 10 superfoods into your daily meals and avoiding heat-inducing foods, you can effectively regulate body temperature and improve your overall health. Start by adding these cooling foods to your meals and make consistent dietary changes. With these small shifts, you can stay cool, hydrated, and healthy throughout the year, even as you age.